Good morning, hello, welcome back to my channel. I think it's still the morning. It was when I just checked. Nope, it is 12 o'clock on the dot, so good afternoon. I thought today I would share with you a few little bits that I'm doing around the house. I picked up loads of stuff in the charity shop over the last couple of months. Not enough, I think, to make a full haul video, I'm not sure. But I thought I could show you those bits as well. Some plant updates, there's some house updates, so we'll see what of that gets done in this video. So yeah, let's chill out today and let's do some housey stuff. Please excuse my laundry that is needing to go upstairs, but I'm in my plant room and I thought I would show you first how well some of my boys are doing. My ZZ over here is doing really well. I found this basket in the charity shop recently. It was only £5, so I've plonked him in there. I think it looks quite cute. We have a new leaf. Oh my goodness, I love you, you precious thing. Keep being so well behaved. We love it. These guys haven't changed much, but over here I have two new additions that I brought home when I only went to get potting mix, and I came home with more than just potting mix. I have this lovely trailing plant. I might have to move him because that radiator needs to go on soon, so we will see how it goes for the time being, but oh, so beautiful. Oh no, I'm becoming the crazy plant lady. Calm down. And then this magnificent creature. It just says tropical plant on the tag, but look at him. He was only $14.99 at the garden center. I couldn't leave him. And these guys are looking pretty good here. And then if you're wondering what these little yellow things are, I've put them in there last night to catch any little tiny flies. I've only found one, this one, so far. My banana leaf plant died a horrible death, and I'm wondering if it's got something to do with these little fruit flies. So I'm on patrol. They're in all of the pots. I have to keep my babies safe, you know. So that's the plant update. Some are a little bit more healthy than others, but I think quite a lot of them are really thriving, so I'm very happy about that. Now let me show you some of these bits that I've thrifted over the past few weeks. I'm not going to do it all fancy. I'm just gonna show you what I've picked up, haul style, vlog style. Let me show you. Ignore the pots, we had a plant day yesterday, but this I picked up yesterday. Actually, my nan spotted it and she enabled me, which she never does. She's always like, you don't need to bring home more junk. But this is like a little cane ottoman footstool type thing. The cane's been stained this greeny colour, which I'm not a huge fan of, and it's got this very dirty fabric on the top, but as you can see, it was a bargain at £5, and my nan actually suggested, hold on, one-handed, this is not going to be fun. Because it's not like a storage piece, it's hollow underneath, and she said I could probably put one of my big plants in here, so I think I might do a little upcycle on this and see if we can paint it and get rid of the fabric on top. I've got a poof already. I don't need another one. I do need more plant pots. Kind of. Maybe not, but I do need a giant plant pot because I'm always buying giant plants. So I thought that would be kind of fun. And I also found this in a charity shop while we're in the plant room. This little planter was £2 and I think it's really nice. Let me show you a close-up. It looks like it's hand painted. I think it looks really pretty, and it's perfect size for this guy right here. I find it hard to find plant pots in the charity shop, especially really unique looking ones. You normally find things like this. They are not in short supply. So I picked that up for £2. Let's put him back. There we go. The next thing I found in the same charity shop was this teapot. I think it's about £3. I love how like mid-century it looks, and the teal color is gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell, but I actually dropped the lid in the charity shop and it's split all the way down the middle, missing a chunk from the edge. There was a very nice guy in there who was like, you don't have to buy it, and I was like, but I really wanted it anyway, and I've broken it, I have to buy it now. But he very kindly super glued it together for me, so anyway. I need to already restyle this, but I think it looks really nice with those pink mugs. I might go for something really brightly coloured here before Christmas. Talking about Christmas, I know it's too early, but I've got to start filming some DIYs to get myself prepared, and I've had to start taking some Christmas decorations out of storage. So I might show you that a little bit later as well, but I do feel like even for me it's too early to start talking about Christmas. Halloween hasn't even begun yet, so yeah, might show you that later, we'll see. Moving swiftly on, we're in my dining room now. I found this piece in a charity shop a couple of weeks ago, and it's so cool. It's one of the coolest things I think I've ever found. Here it is. It's this right here. This is a vintage pinball kind of game, and I've played it actually. You lie it on the floor. Hold on. And you take a ball, and then you just... Oh. The disappointment. One more time. Are you kidding me? Let's do a few more. Don't show me up in front of YouTube, please. Oh! Why am I so excited? That's my highest score yet. And we got a 25. Okay, that is enough fun for today. I just thought this was the coolest thing I've ever seen. I couldn't leave it behind. It was £15, and I did think actually about putting this on the wall and making it removable so I could take it down and still play it, but yeah. While we're here in the sitting room, look at this lady that I also found in the charity shop. I left the label on so I could prove to you that she was only £1 in the Salvation Army. That is so cool. I love these little bust figures, and to find one in the charity shop is pretty good. Also, peep the BTS calendar in the back. Can you see it? There they are. Yeah, only £1. What a bargain. And then very quickly in my sitting room, I found the perfect chair for my desk. It's over here. It was only £5. Bear that in mind while you look at it. Only £5. This is said chair, and oh my gosh, it's perfect. I've given it a really good clean. As you can see at the back though, there's a few little areas where the stain or the paint's chipped off, so I've bought some really dark stain that I'm going to cover it up with. Oh, isn't she beautiful? I think the reason I think it's so perfect is because it's like a really dark wood, and we've got the dark wood of the desk, but I've got loads of light wood and wicker around the rest of the space, so it kind of ties in with the cane on the chair. So, oh, I really like that. I'm very, very, very pleased. £5. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this is still waiting to have a good clean, but this was £3 in the same shop that I got the pinball game at. It's hard to find a really nice wicker basket, so I picked that up because I need to store some stuff upstairs, but I've just left it here because it needs a good scrub. And soon those skirting boards will be done. I feel like I've been saying it for years. I really have. But this time I really mean it, and you want to know why? Because I found somewhere that makes really, really tall skirting board. Skirting Express, apparently. And now this is all in my hallway, but we've got 11 pieces and it's all pre-primed. That is really very, very boring. But let me get back to the charity shop haul, because there is one more thing that I think is worth showing you in the kitchen. Where is it? Oh, it's here. This I found in the same shop that I found that little bust for £1. This is £2. It just looks like your average Pyrex coffee jar, right? But look closer. Isn't it stunning? The stars. I don't know how well you can even see it, but oh, it's so pretty. It's literally just a jug. There's no like coffee pressing facility or anything in there, but stunning. I'm so happy. Did have some Christmas decorations in the background. Shall I show you them now? Go on then. So I went to Marks and Spencer's, which is where my wallet goes to die at Christmas time, and I found loads of hideously cute fluffy felt animals again. This is a sausage dog in a jumper with a bell on it. I mean, £4, best £4 I've ever spent. Thought that was kind of cute, just to go with the theme. And then my main man, look at him, £7.50. This little reindeer, I always get the reindeer in there. I don't need them, but now he has a family, so just look at his little, oh, it's so cute. Calm down. This happens to me every Christmas. So this was a charity shop haul, and now it has become something else. I'll pick this up tomorrow when I decide what to do. I have some editing and loads of tax paperwork to do later, so I will not bore you with that. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Good morning, hello. I can't actually remember where we left off last time I saw you a couple of days ago. I've been frantically filming Christmas videos. I got very distracted by them, but I think I was saying something about how I was going to get the Christmas decorations out and show you, so let me show you what I've done in the background here, and then we'll wrap this up in a minute. Can you tell it's October? Well, it's October in my house anyway. I've had to put a few bits and pieces up so that I can film some intros here for the next few weeks. We did a little mantle display. I'm sure I'll change that out when Christmas actually comes and do something different, but it's cute. And we got a few little bits up here. And who remembers this DIY? It was a Poundland one from last year, I think. Do you ever just get Christmas decorations out and forget what you had last year? Oh dear. But yeah, we're looking a little bit festive in here already. So my week has been very, very festive. It's the middle of October, but I will be bringing you Christmas videos as of the 1st of November. I'm so excited for this year. I just feel like I need Christmas pumped into my veins because 2020 was the way it was. So let's enjoy Christmas this year. Anyway, before I go, seeing as we were talking about plants and thrifting, and seeing as I had a couple of days in between these clips, I managed to do just a little bit of damage. You can see some of the damage in the background here. Let me show you some new plants. I can't believe I've done this. No, I can believe I've done this, but this guy right here is a fiddle leaf fig. I got him in Lidl the other day. They had loads of houseplants for $10.99. This one's not looking as healthy as the others. Yes, there are others. But he looks very, very happy in the window right here, and I'm hoping he'll grow some new leaves and fluff out a bit. Look at this giant leaf compared to my hand. And you know I couldn't stop at one, right? Oh boy. I got 2 more fiddle leaf figs for this massive bucket that I showed you earlier. They had a deal where you could buy the plant and the pot for £15, so I did get 2 of the pots. I should have got more. But these ones are very, very healthy looking and very full and fluffy. I'll plant them up at some point, but I'm going to leave them in the pots for a while if they're doing reasonably well. And then we have a ficus. This little rubber plant is beautiful. It's got a few cuts in his leaves, but he's so tall. Got a lot of rootage here, so I think we do need to repot him fairly quickly, but he's a very handsome chap. In relation to me, these are pretty tall. I'm like 5'6", so these are pretty big plants. I don't know if they'll still have them, but they were in Lidl for $10.99. Such a bargain. My nan got some as well. We got a few in there. I'm very happy. Had a lot going on recently, and plants don't necessarily fill the void, but they do help a lot, so yeah, I'm very happy. This might be a bit overkill though. I don't think there's such a thing as too many plants. Fight me. Anyway, I just wanted to swing by and finish up this vlog, and thanks for sticking with me. It's been a quiet week over here, but I will have lots of Christmas stuff coming your way, so if you like Christmas, stay tuned. And I've also got a lot of work going on in the house and loads of home renovation stuff coming up in the next while, but it's starting next week, so wish me luck. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. Happy plant hunting if you're going out to look for these ones from Lidl, and I'll see you next time. Bye.